audience ignoring what you say? If you have kids, you've probably seen at some time that vacant stare that makes you feel that what you are saying is washing over them in a wave to never land on solid ground. Well, that is what many of our clients tell us is happening to their marketing, sales, and leadership messages. And they want to know, how do I get people to stand up and listen to what we're saying? My question to them always is, have you ever heard your message from your customer's perspective? I mean, I realize you feel your product's the best thing you've ever seen, but in reality, you're an interruption in your client's day. You want to remember they don't know how to listen to you until they know you understand what they need. On top of that, since your brain is designed to protect you, the listener, it means I'll listen with a very skeptical point of view to whatever you have to share. So here's a few things that you can do to open up your audience's mind to what you are saying in that moment in time. Number one, share immediately what they will gain from the time with you. What problem will you solve? How will you make their life easier? Why should they listen? 2, give a startling fact, a provoking question, or a real example of what others have done with what you're sharing, and think in terms of results. So imagine starting with 50% of our clients save $35,000 their first year with us. Or the real question is not what lost productivity you had in the office, but what the cost of that productivity loss is in real dollars and cents to you. I understand you wanting to make your department run smoother. If it was running smoother, what would that mean in terms of time you would save? Number 3, be authentic. People are looking for you not to be Mr. or Mrs. Smooth, but to be a trusted person that's passionate about what they're talking about. So don't worry about perfection. Worry about being there in the true sense of the word. So how do you know if your writing or speaking is audience-centered? Pull out a marker and highlight everything in your last speech or your last few emails that's about you. Now here's the trick. 70% of that page should not be highlighted because it should be about them and not about you. This has been Ann Warfield. May you go forth and have a great outcome-focused day filled with fabulous success.